Vacation is over. It's time to get back into the routine. I have a 10-minute routine that's guaranteed to get you like out the door with no fuss at all. Step 1, cleaning my face. I like to use the Olay 5-in-1 cleansing towelette. I'm gonna use Olay whips with SPF 25. So now I can just go right into my makeup. I'm using Maybelline Dream Velvet Foundation in Coconut. I love this foundation. It feels so light. I've been using it for years. Next, I'm going into my concealer. I figured I would try this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I just picked this up from Fry's, and this is a fairly new product for me. I've only used it a couple of times. I'm a fan of rather dramatic highlights. Boom. There we go. Immediately after doing the highlight, I like to set. I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me in Deep. I'm gonna add a bit of blush. This one is Maybelline Fit Me, the color Berry. I take that same blush and add a bit of warmth all over my face. So I'm just gonna hit my forehead area, a bit on my nose, just to add some color. For my highlight, I'm gonna use Maybelline Master Chrome. The color is Molten Rose Gold. A little bit on the bridge of my nose. I don't take it down the entire bridge. And for the brows, I'm not gonna do too much. Brush them up. Taking a brown black brow pencil.
And I got my product at Fry's. You can find them at your local Kroger family of stores.
This is Maybelline's Lemonade Craze palette. We're gonna keep things fairly simple. I'm gonna start by adding Old Fashioned in the crease. I'm gonna place Sugar Coated on the lid. Citrus, popping it into my inner corners. A little bit on my brow bone. Added mascara to the top and bottom lashes. I used CoverGirl Full Bloom. Now for lipstick, Maybelline's Brown Blush Lipstick. Top that off with a bit of gloss. So that's it. 10 minutes, you're out the door. I hope you guys can incorporate some of my faves into your routine.